Hello, today I'm going to share with you this beautiful property in downtown Christiansted, St. Croix, US Virgin Islands, and it's on sale. On a quiet street, only 3 blocks to the Christiansted boardwalk with unobstructed views of the Christiansted Pier. Here's a private entrance to the 1-bedroom, 1-bath rental or an Airbnb. The house is on a quaint hill with 2,000 square feet of living space. Total space of the property is 4,000 square feet with 4 bedrooms and 3 baths, including a garden and including the private rental property. Open concept living and dining room with constant east breeze leading into the private covered patio deck. Amazing views of the water, the beach, overlooking the private only botanical garden in town with a workshop shed. The security doors are for safety throughout. A custom-built library made with restored local mahogany wood. Open kitchen with Thomasville cabinets, allowing plenty of space to host a dinner with friends. A queen bedroom on the main floor with garden access, with a hallway bathroom with shower. A pantry with brand new washer dryer that can be used as an office or additional storage room. Original floors lead to staircase to 2 bedrooms, one with 2 beds, plenty of closet space, high ceilings throughout. And down the hallway is the primary suite with high ceilings, king-size bed with attached bathroom. The garden has 80 varieties of plants and trees from the Caribbean islands and various other continents. It has a workshop with electricity, so you can actually enjoy working outside and yet be in the shade. The Botanical Oasis has several seating areas overlooking the banana trees, palm trees, jasmine flowers, lily ponds, and more. It's a haven for bees, birds, and butterflies. Check out this gem on Zillow listing. See you soon.